Welcome to TECMA. I'm Alan Russell, Chairman and CEO of the TECMA Group of Companies. I have the privilege of working with some of the most dynamic, ambitious, and talented people in the world. We started originally as a contract manufacturing company almost 40 years ago, in 1986. The idea was to produce products competing with the ever-changing environment and the global stage. But as products continued to come to us that were more diverse, we were in the electronics, PC board sector, winding transformers, we were doing textiles, but we realized the automotive sector in particular needed more technology diversity. So instead of us trying to master that technology, we depended on our clients to bring it to us. So our method we developed is called a shelter profile, a shelter program, where we put an umbrella over our client and prevent the complexities of Mexico from distracting from our client producing quality product, which is why they're here. The three things the client brings to the table: the equipment, the materials, and most importantly, the technology. TECMA takes care of all of the noise related to the complexities of Mexico. We have the most talented people in the industry that have worked for us for years. We have clients that have been with us for 30 years. We can select, along with you, talented engineers, quality engineers, manufacturing engineers, production managers. We've done it hundreds of times. We have a template, we have a process, and talented people that have done it that can help lay out, set up fixtures, transfer equipment, deal with riggers, and make the transition as painless as possible for you as our client. Headquartered in El Paso means to you that our contracts with you are negotiable under U.S. law. That removes the complexity of you trying to understand the laws of Mexico and those details and having to set up a presence in Mexico. That's our job to take care of. The operational offices, it's where the action is. Those are all in Mexico. From Monterrey, Saltillo, San Luis Potosí, Silao, Torreon, of course Juarez, Mexicali, Tijuana, and then of course Rosarito, south of Tijuana. So wherever in the country you need to be, based on our site selection criteria, maybe your client is in the center of Mexico and that's where the operation needs to be. If you're distributing into North America, the US, the largest market in the free world, then maybe that's where the operation will be sited. We work with all the developers. We lease and control more than 10 million square feet in the country of Mexico. We're responsible for your border operations. We have began 10 years ago a cross-border transportation group that has expanded. Now we can move your product from the plant door to door to your destination in the United States or wherever it may be going. Our logistics group can handle your inbound materials from China, from Europe, wherever it may go, from ocean, rail, truck, all the way to the plant in Mexico, and then of course finished goods back out again. Then we got the border, TECMA Customs Solutions. It's our division of U.S. Customs. Their job is to make sure that the tariff schedules applied to your product are taking full advantage of every ounce of ability in the USMCA treaty, minimizing your duties and taxes on your finished goods and product coming back into the U.S. Warehousing, another vertical integration. We'll operate a 3PL for you, just like any other 3PL, or we'll provide storage for you as though it's your own warehouse, moving product in from your factory and out to your customers or back to your headquarters, wherever you need it, when you need it. Why TECMA? Because there's nobody else better in this business. I promise you, our mission, every person in TECMA knows this mission, that we are creating an environment where our clients nor our employees ever want to leave us. You won't be disappointed. Give us a call. Thank you.